Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Ashtalakshmi ma'am. Children, good morning to everyone. We have completed our 15th lesson question answers now. Today I am going to teach you about speaking project. Do the project and reading comprehension question answers. Write it down. Okay, I will read the passage. You also read after me and complete the question answers. By this we have completed our lesson number 15 and the full book also we have completed. Yes, children. Now what we are going to do? Speaking project I will explain you and you should select one invention and you should write about that invention. Understood, children? Everyone remember that and write about one invention, that is your project, and reading comprehension, 2 passages, complete it. Okay, children, everyone will do it. I hope everyone will do it and take out your textbooks now to complete the work. Today we have completed our 15th lesson full. Now coming to 5th speaking project. Here my favorite invention. When it rains, what is a car driver used to wipe the water away from the windshield? This driver used a windshield wiper. Did you know that Mary Anderson invented the windshield wiper in 1905? Human beings have invented many things that have made our lives easier and more comfortable. Inventions are all around us. Speak about your favorite invention. Here are a few hints to help you to get started. See, talk about who invented it. Talk about an interesting story behind it. Also share with you, think it is useful. Why you think it is useful. Discuss how the invention can be used more interesting. See, here we are having here piano, stitching machine, fridge, like this. You can take any one about one invention, children, and you can write about that. Understood? Discuss about that. Reading comprehension. Now, see the reading comprehension, children. I'm going to read. You also read after me. Read the story and answer the questions given below. Spit keeps our mouths moist and softens our food when we chew. Without spit in our mouths, we would have a hard time talking and swallowing. But for some animals, spit works better after it has left the mouth. Some animals are experts at surviving because they are expert spitters. Lemurs are animals that like their personal space. A llama that feels threatened or annoyed will spit slimy gobs at you to get you to leave it alone. Sometimes llamas even spit on each other to steal food. Llama spit includes food from the llama's stomach and it can be quite smelly. When a llama spits on another animal, the animal usually loses its aptitude and walks away. Leaving its food behind, the orca fish is a very skilled spitter. It takes aim and spits jets of water at insects and other small creatures to knock them into the water. Then it clumps them down quickly. Spitting cobras are also known for their expert aim. These snakes spray venom from their lungs. These snakes spray venom from their fangs to protect themselves. Scientists believe that these snakes actually aim for the eyes. When a cobra venom gets into the eyes of an animal, the venom causes terrible pain and even blindness. This gives the snake plenty of time to get away. Understood, children? This is the passage. Now we should write the question answers. How does spit help human beings? Spit keeps our mouth moist and softens our food. When we chew without spit in our mouths, we would have a hard time talking and swallowing. Understood, children? Write it properly. Second question. How do spitting cobras protect themselves? Spitting cobras spray venom from their fangs to protect themselves. Scientists believe that these snakes aim for the eyes. Write the present continuous tense form of each of the words below. Walk, walking. Talked, talking. Stole, stealing. What is the meaning of appetite? It is a desire to eat. Match the words with the correct meaning. Soften, to make soft. Surviving, continuing to live. Venom, poison. Understood, children? Once again, we will see the question answers. See here children, passage 1. How does spit help human beings? Spit keeps our mouth moist and softens our food when we chew. Without spit in our mouths, we would have a hard time talking and swallowing. Now second one. How do spit cobra protect themselves? Spitting cobras spray venom from their fangs to protect themselves. Scientists believe that these snakes aim for the eyes. When a cobra venom gets into the eyes of an animal, the venom causes terrible pain and even blindness. Then this gives the snake plenty of time to get away. Understood children? Once again, spitting cobras spray venom from their fangs to protect themselves. Scientists believe that these snakes aim for the eyes. When a cobra venom gets into the eyes of an animal, the venom causes terrible pain and even blindness. This gives the snake plenty of time to get away. Now third one, present continuous tense you should write walk, walking, talked, talking, stole, stealing. The meaning of aptitude is a desire to eat. Is a desire to eat. Match the words with the correct meaning. Soften. Yes. To make soft. Surviving. Continuing to live. Venom. Poison. Now the second passage children. Read the story and answer the questions given below. Bullying is being unkind to another person again and again. Bullying can be of many types. It can be teasing, threatening to hurt someone, or telling lies about someone. Yelling at someone, hitting them or excluding them can also be bullying. Being bullied makes people feel powerless, sad and alone. It can be difficult to stand up for yourself. When you are being bullied, the bully seems more powerful than you. Being bullied can lead to illness or problems at school. It can also result in some people turning in bullies themselves. There are a lot of reasons why bullying happens. There are a lot of reasons why bullying happens. Some want to copy their friends. Some think that being a bully will make them respected or popular. Sometimes bullies think that they are better than their peers and so they bully them to prove it. Bullies use power to hurt people. Bullies might use physical strength. They might use their popularity or smartness in school, or they may use secrets they know to hurt others. No matter what the reason behind it or how it is done, bullying is wrong. Bullying isn't just bad for the victim being bullied, it's bad for bully too. Those who are bullies often grow up to have problems like getting into fights. You may not know what to do if you witness bullying. It may make you feel depressed or worried. You may not feel safe. These feelings may make you want to join in the bullying or be silent so as not to get bullied yourselves. Or perhaps the bullying makes you so angry that you stand up to bully yourself. The best and safest thing to do is to inform an adult whom you trust so that they can help put a stop to it. Understood children? Read the passage once or twice. Then only you can understand it. Bullying means what? Tell me, teasing, that all you will be doing, no? That one. Yes. Now first question. What are the different ways by which bullying can happen? What are the different ways by which bullying can happen? Teasing, threatening to hurt someone, telling lies about someone, yelling at someone, hitting them and excluding them are some ways by which bullying can happen. Once again children, what are the different ways by which bullying can happen? Teasing, answer. Teasing, threatening to hurt someone, telling lies about someone, yelling at someone, hitting them and excluding them are some ways by which bullying can happen. Now second question. What can you do if you see somebody getting bullied? The best and safest thing to do if you see somebody getting bullied is to inform an adult whom you trust so that they can help put a stop to it. The best and the safest thing to do if you see somebody getting bullied is to inform an adult whom you trust so that they can help put to stop to it. Now third one, change the given sentence by following the instructions in brackets. Bullying can be of many ways. Change into interrogative sentence. Can bullying be of many ways? Question mark. Second one, you should always inform an adult about bullying. Change into imperative sentence. Always inform an adult about the bullying. Third one, do not bully your classmates. Change into declarative sentence. You should not bully your classmate. You should not bully your classmates. Fourth one, the meaning of the word witness. What is the meaning of the word witness? A person who sees an event, typically a crime or accident take place. The meaning of the word witness is a person who sees an event, typically a crime or an accident take place. See, fifth one, children. Match the words with their correct meaning. Column A. Threaten. To intend to cause harm to someone. Powerless. Without the power to prevent something from happening. Victim. The person harmed by an unpleasant event or action. Understood, children? This is your reading comprehension also completed. We have completed reading comprehension, speaking project. Understood, children? We have completed the reading comprehension and speaking project. By this we have completed our full book. Book is completed. Who are having incomplete, search in the YouTube. My videos will be coming. You can complete by that. Okay, children?